Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to be making these super simple and soft knit sweater pillowcases. No knitting required. So join me at my craft table. This one is 18 inches by 18 inches, but yours could be different, so don't forget to measure. So I'm going to need a piece of fabric 18 inches by 42 inches. This piece of broadcloth I have is 44 inches wide, so that's close enough for me. Now that we've got our pieces 18 by 44, turn over your short ends and hem them nicely on both ends. Now for the sweater. You'll need a piece of sweater that is the same as your pillow measurements. For me, that's 18 by 18. If it's a little smaller, that's okay. It's a pillow, we can stuff it. This sweater was a little annoying, but worked once I got the elastic off the bottom edge. It's so soft. Now lay down your fabric face up. Then put your sweater piece in the middle of the fabric face up as well. Make sure your pattern is going lengthwise, but if it's not, that's fine. It's not the end of the world. Now fold up your ends over your sweater square. It is supposed to overlap. Now pin around the outside, sandwiching the sweater in the middle. Now, sew around the entire pillowcase. Feel with your fingers to make sure you are catching that knit as you go. If you're unsure about if you skipped a section or not, you can't really feel it, just go over it again with the sewing machine. When you get to a corner and have to turn the fabric, leave the needle down in the fabric, but lift up your sewer foot and then turn your fabric and then put your sewing foot down facing the right direction and continue on your way. Trim the corners so they can be turned to a point. Use a pencil or pen or a paintbrush or something just to turn out those corners. Turn right side out and check your edge to make sure you didn't miss any of that knit, because we don't want it unraveling. Then stuff your pillow inside. Ta-da! All done. So soft. And I made 2 of them with this sweater. So a pretty matching pair. You can even use holiday sweaters. Turn those ugly holiday sweaters into ugly pillowcases. Yay! And that's it for this video, everyone. Please hit that like button to help the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe and hit the bell to see more videos. And tell me, do you have an ugly sweater? I actually don't. I kind of feel left out, so maybe I should look into that one. I would like to have a holiday sweater with like skulls on it. Because I like skulls. I think we all need a little extra holiday cheer this year. Till next time, bye!